Hi friends, welcome to AppsArtFolio. In this tutorial I will show you how to create dispersion effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. I have selected this image from pexels.com. Let's work on it. Click Quick Selection in Tools. Make the perfect selection of a girl in this image. Click Select and Mask. Click on Black. Click Refine Brush and start refining border of the selected image. Go to Output and select New Layer. Rename as Model in Layer Panel. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer and rename it as Smudge. Click on Add Adjustment Layer. Gradient. Select black and white gradients and click on Radial. Inverse it. Adjust the scale. Adjust gradient layer below all layers in Layer Panel. Select Smudge tool. Start smudging the object in background till the end of the screen. Press Alt and click on Layer Mask, then select Model Layer and click on Layer Mask. Unhide model layer. Press B for Brush tool. Go in Settings and import brushes. You can download variety of dispersion brushes from brusheezy.com. Select appropriate brush. Adjust size of brush by pressing open bracket and close bracket keys. Select Layer Mask on layer named Smudge. Keep brush color white and start painting as you get desired effect. Adjust the size of brush by pressing open bracket and close bracket keys. Select on Mask on Model layer. Turn brush color black and start painting till you get desired effect. Adjust by rotating brush. Right-click and adjust the rotation. Go to Add Adjustment layer and select Gradient. Select the gradient you want. Select Radial. Go to Blending mode and select Soft Light. In this way, we can create dispersion effect to enhance your graphic work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.